Okay, in this video, we will show you how to make your pointer size easier to see in Windows. I may sometimes feel that the size of your pointer is very small. For this, you must open the settings from your Windows by pressing the Windows key and I key at the same time, or by doing this method. Go to the start position like this. You can open the start, and from here you must select the settings like this. Select the settings like this, and from the settings you can select the options. You can see many things in the settings. Windows 10 or Windows settings, you can see here the ease of access option. You must select the ease of access. So you must simply click the ease of access from here, and in the side you can see here the options like the vision. Here you can see the display, the cursor and pointer. This one you must simply you must click this one, that is the cursor and pointer size. You must click this one, the cursor and pointer size. And from here you can see the options, the change pointer size, and you can select this one. If you want the big one, you can see the big pointer like this. So now the pointer size is a little more bigger here. And if you want a medium size, you can select from this one, and you can see that this medium. And if it is small required, then you can simply press this one. Similarly, you can change the colors also from here, and in the latest Windows update, you can have the option by simply dragging the pointer like this. You can increase the color. If you want to increase the thickness of the cursor, you can move like this, and you can see here it is becoming bigger and bigger. For more tips and tricks, stay with Engineers World Online. Thank you.